Most people get this wrong. They assume RapidTab is just another Payday or BNPL app, but the surprising truth in 2026 is that it combines early wage access, installment payments, and budgeting features all on one platform. When used wisely, it can help manage short-term expenses without leading to high-interest debt. Here's how RapidTab works. The app allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often within hours. Eligible purchases can be split into smaller payments over several weeks. Instead of interest, RapidTab charges a flat, predictable fee per advance for transaction. Optional features include repayment reminders, spending alerts, and dashboards to track cash flow and budget efficiently. The downside? Overuse can become costly. Frequent advances or missed payments can add up quickly, and relying too much on the app may hide poor financial habits. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only take money you can repay on time. 2. Set reminders or alerts to avoid late fees. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce dependency on advances. Who should use RapidTab? Individuals with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. If income is inconsistent or repayment discipline is weak, RapidTab may cost more than it saves. In conclusion, RapidTab in 2026 is a flexible financial tool, but only when used responsibly. Track your fees, stick to repayment schedules, and use it as a temporary aid rather than a permanent solution. Subscribe for more practical financial reviews and tips to manage your money smarter.